Hello guys, welcome to Do It Easy Guy tutorial. Today I will discuss with you about FTMO challenge and the comparison of challenges, and I will talk about the trading objectives and how to stay in the games I experienced and I am currently experiencing. So currently I have two FTMO challenges ongoing, 50k one and 10k one. 10k and 50k account. What is FTMO? So if you go to their website ftmo.com, and it's a trade for a proprietary trading firm. If you are a trader who don't have a big capital, but if you have a good trading strategies, good method, good forex trading method, so then that's this for you. So they gives you big money. We have to face the FTMO challenge, and then they give us the verification stage. Once you complete the verification, you become the FTMO trader. You can see the challenge types. Here they list the challenge type. So they have categorized their challenges according to the account size. So mainly they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 challenge types according to the account size. The smallest challenge account is $10,000, and second one is $25,000 and $50,000, $100,000. The latest one is $200,000. We can select our account currency type, go and see the challenge details. Let's look at what they're saying. So these are the three steps: the FTMO challenge, and step 2 is verification, step 3 is FTMO trader. Now basically what happen is, if you go for a 10,000 FTMO challenge, you're gonna have to pay this amount, euro 155 amount, via Skrill, or they have few payment options. And once you pay this amount, you will get email from FTMO after few hours to few days, the login details, login credentials to your FTMO challenge account. Then you can set up your MT4 and whatever you're trading with. Since you select $10,000 account, its profit target is $1,000, and maximum loss is again $1,000, and maximum daily loss is $500, and you have to trade minimally 10 days. Your whole trading period will be 30 days. If you go to verification, it becomes the maximum loss is same $1,000, maximum daily loss is $500, and minimum trading days will be 10 days, but you get 2 months of trading period. There is no really rush for the verification stage. Good thing is, it's the half of profit target, the one you had in FTMO challenge. Your profit target gets $500, 10,000 account. Now, so let's clarify this. So if you facing 10, if you getting 10,000 account, your profit target is $1,000. 1,000 from 10,000 mean 10%, right? Maximum loss is 10,000. Maximum loss is again 10,000, mean 10,000 from your account balance. So this is the target. On the FTMO, what they say is, if you can manage your risk, then trade with them. Yeah. So this is how you manage your risk. Your maximum loss is 10% from your whole account. You have to make 10% within a month to make the profit target. Your maximum daily loss is 500. Maximum daily loss is $500, means 5%. This is the maximum daily loss. So you can't lose more than 5% from your account balance. If you violate this maximum daily loss level, if you lose more than $500 on a 10K account, you will fail your challenge and you will lose your money. Got it? You will lose your money. You don't get a refund, you don't get a challenge, you don't get a repeat whatsoever. Let's further analyze FTMO challenge. I took all the FTMO challenges into Excel sheet for better comparison. So these are the FTMO challenges: 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 100K, 200K. So these are the fees. I made another column. I converted the fee into dollar amount. So for people who are familiar with dollar amount, so you can easily compare it. And the profit target, maximum loss, maximum daily loss. If you look at 10,000, we have to pay around euro 155, means dollar 187. Your profit target is $1,000, and you can go for a 25,000 account. Profit target is $2,500. Your fee is only 250 euros, less than twice of this amount, less than twice of this amount. The twice amount would be 310, but here you get 250 euros. Yeah. So but your profit target gets $2,500, means you get 25,000 account. You can go for a 50,000 challenge just by paying euro 345, means dollar 460. The amount is almost like twice of this 10K challenge. What I'm suggesting is, if you are just trying out for a challenge, either go for 25,000 or 50,000, because the amount doesn't make much big difference. So this is what I feel. You get more bigger account mean more bigger profit target. But if you are a serious trader and if you are after serious money, then the 100K or 200K accounts are for you. And this is here profit target 10,000. It's always the percentage. Always your profit target will be 10%. Whatever your account size, your profit target is 10%. Your maximum loss is 10%. Your maximum daily loss is 5%. Whatever the account size, if you are in 100K account, your profit target is 10,000. Your maximum daily loss is 5,000. So here this is 10%, this is 5%. So that's how this challenge work. When you complete the challenge, what happen is you are going to the verification stage. Once you are in verification stage, your profit target becomes half of this profit target. So your profit target becomes 5,000 if you are in a 100K account, and you get twice the time than the challenge. That means you get 2 months. So as I am currently ongoing with the challenge account, I have already created account with FTMO, and currently I have 2 challenge account. One is 10K account and the second one is 50K account. And on the 50K account I am in a drawdown for around $1,000, and on the 10K account I am in profit. Actually I am keeping this, I am waiting for the repeat challenge. Let me go to challenge. So once you go to this client area, this challenge started on April 19th and end in May 18th. And today May 12, and this is a 10K account. And as you can see, currently I have passed all the trading objectives other than my profit target, and my profit is on positive side. Currently I have $22 in profit, and so I am keeping this account in dormant until the challenge end date comes. So once the challenge end date comes, I get a free repeat. So in order to get a free repeat, you have to keep traded maximum 10 days, and you have to your max daily loss above the maximum daily loss, and your max loss should be above the max loss. Profit target is on positive side. This means I get a free repeat. I get a free repeat. I get a brand new challenge. This account was not successful still. I messed up trading, so I thought to keep it dormant until I hit the end date. I will get the repeat. The most important thing is in forex trading, stay in the game. Stay in the game. Stay in the game. That's the most important thing. Stay in the game. Yeah. Don't get too greedy or don't get too emotional. You have to always check here. It says the today permitted loss, then max permitted loss, today's profit, last update time. You are in a 100 account. Okay. In a trading day, you profit $100. Okay. Let's say you started trading on May 1st, 2021. Okay. So you profit $100. What happened there? That means account balance becomes $10,100. The important thing is your permitted daily loss becomes $500 plus red equal $600. Okay, $600. But remember, this $600 only affect only to that day. So now if today is May 1st, when you trading on May 2nd, your max daily loss again reset to $500. So remember, whatever you make, the amount you make as a profit becomes added to the permitted daily loss within that day, and it gets reset after next day. But your maximum loss becomes 1000 plus 100. Now your maximum loss becomes, your initial maximum loss is 1000. Now since you made a $100 profit, your maximum loss become $1,100. If you keep making 1% per day, means $100. So within 10 days you can make your profit target. Yeah, you can make your profit target. So that's the game. Okay. So So I'm going to stop this video currently right now, and if you have any questions, please ask in comments. I will be creating a few more videos about how to set up MT4, how to set up MT4 in mobile, and so on. Don't forget to subscribe to me. Keep update on new videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Let's meet on another tutorial.